welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to hook up this 6-inch inline fan from Cloud9. It's the 6-inch one. Hopefully it'll also help get some of the smell and the fumes vented outside where they belong. Okay, in order to install this fan, we're going to need some metal tape. We're going to need a 6-inch to 4-inch reducer, which will go on here, and then that'll hook on to this here. So that'll get us from one end to the other on here, and we're going to vent it right out here. We have a like a dryer vent thing here, so when the wind blows, it doesn't blow cold air back into here. Okay, the first thing we need to do, we have to get access to the bracket here underneath this to be able to drill some holes, use some screws, and so we can secure it to something. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. I've got my drill here. The way you do it, you got to take off these little retaining rings here, loosen them up. That's enough to get that off of there. And then you just want to pull out the fan itself, the centerpiece of the fan here. So, it's a pretty simple little fan. So the way I'm going to secure this, I'm going to drill some holes into this wood here. This block of wood here, it's a 2x4. And then I'm going to go ahead and secure this block of wood to the windowsill here. I got this large windowsill, so that should work out pretty well for me. The kit does come with some screws, some other things here. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Right way, there is a arrow on here that tells you which way the airflow is. So the airflow is going to be heading out this direction right here. I'm not doing anything fancy or special here. I just want to secure it to this block of wood. Alright, so I got that secured onto there. I'm going to put this back together. Make sure I put these rings back on here, these retaining rings here. Got to make sure you line up the arrow on the top there with the arrow on the top of here. Slide it back down in here. Put these retaining rings back on here. Tighten it back up with a drill or a screwdriver. Same thing on this side. Back together. Alright, so now I'm going to stick my little reducer here, the adapter that goes from 6-inch down to 4-inch. I'm going to stick that on here with this metal tape. Put the metal tape on my little vent here. Put the little adapter in the hole here, and then secure it with the tape. I'm going to do put some more tape right around the bottom. This tape's pretty sticky. And of course, it'll stick to itself very easily. So I've got that secure onto there. And now I'm going to stick the fan right on the end of there. Some more of the tape. You can secure this fan just about anywhere, but this is on the wall, on the table, then run the vent from the table. This, I think, since I have such a large windowsill here, I think this is going to work out pretty good for me here. Just throw some more tape around the other side here. Just like that. Alright, then I'm going to take, I have a couple of screws here that I'm going to go ahead, just secure this fan right here down to the sill itself. And one on the other side. This will keep it from vibrating, moving around on you. That's not going anywhere right there. Alright, I like to keep my hose long here because I've got the Pro Pass-Through, and what happens is I have to move this in and out sometimes, this table here, because I got the old tape on here I gotta take off, but I have to move it in and out so I can get to the back here to access the pass-through. Alright, so get that old tape off of there. So now I'm going to put this onto here, the other side. Need some more metal tape. The metal tape you'll find at Lowe's in the, usually where they have the dryers, stuff at, and then the reducers here in the heating section. You might be able to find the metal tape in the heating section also. But I got the adapters, this 4-inch to 6-inch, 6-inch to 4-inch at Lowe's. I think they were $8 a piece, $8 or $9 a piece. It's a little pricey from there. You can probably get them cheaper on Amazon. I've got the fan. I got that on Amazon. That was about $100, I believe. Alright, like I said, I like to keep the hose long here so I can move the Glowforge around so I can get access to the back of it here. This is where you're going to have a little bit of an issue getting this over here, over top of this. It's a little bit of a struggle, but it's going on a little easier. Well, maybe it's not. It's ripping at the bottom here. This is where the struggle is. It seems to be, you move it around a little bit, sometimes it'll, you don't have to get it very far away, just enough. There we go. It's a real snug fit. And I am going to tape it up that. Tape around there to secure this. You really only need one piece. It's super sticky, this stuff. it holds on there real well, and it's form fitting since it's metal. It just fits the form that you need there. And then what I'm going to do here is, I got some more tape here. I'm just going to wrap some around there. I hate to cut this thing. I mean, you can always cut your vent hose. My luck, I cut the vent hose, and then I made it too short. That's usually what happens. And this tape, this is a new roll here, a different kind of tape. There we go. Get the backing off of it. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, instead of cutting this hose, which you could easily do also, I'm just going to gather it up here and then run this tape around it. Just to shorten it up so it's more of a straight shot for this thing. Now it's more of a straight shot. Okay, it does come on with an on-off switch where you can set the, you can turn it on here, and you can also set the speed of it. I'm gonna turn it on there. That's the lowest. If you can see that here, and then you just keep clicking this, and it increases the speed all the way up to the full speed. You'll see what it sounds like on full speed. You can, it's remote, so you can put it wherever you want. I'd probably stick it over here on the table. Okay, now we're going to compare the sound of the two. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the inline fan first, so you can hear what that sounds like at full speed. There it is at full speed. It seems super quiet. I'm going to turn it off. And now we'll listen to see what the difference is with the Glowforge internal fan on. As you can tell, there's a heck of a difference between the Glowforge fan that's included inside the Glowforge itself and the inline fan that we just installed. The difference is huge. It's so much quieter. You can barely hear the thing running. I'll let you know over the next few weeks how it works as far as getting the smoke smell out of the house here. Hopefully it keeps it down from where it was. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much.